How to create product attributes on UCX. Log in on your seller account and click Products on Application menu. Click Attributes on left-hand menu. Here is the list of predefined attributes you are able to use. To create a new attribute, click Create button. Set the attribute type. Set the attribute label, code, and name. Attribute must have at least one value. Click Create button on Values section. Name the value. Write a code for a value, set sequence and click Add button to save the attribute value. Repeat the action to create as many values as you needed. Click Save button to save the attribute. To assign the attribute to your product, click Product List on left-hand menu. Select desired product. Click Attributes tab on Product page. Click the Add label. Search the attribute by attribute name. Choose values you want to display. Set order sequence. Set the options and click Add to assign. Click Save button to save the product changes. Click Preview to see the product from buyer perspective. Like expected, here we can see product attributes and their values displaying correctly.